Welcome to HTML5 and CSS series. Let's talk about what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This language enables developers to build static websites. This is a foundational language in web development. If you are someone who wants to get into web development, this is a very good starting point as it is the foundational piece of the web. It is easy to learn. The best part is it provides instant visual feedback and it has a very minimal setup, unlike other programming languages. In order to get started with learning HTML, we need a text editor. For that, I would recommend using Visual Studio Code unless you have other editors that you are used to. So in the next video, I'll be showing how to install Visual Studio Code.